Yo, what's up, guys? Fit For An Autopsy just released a new song. I really like the band. I saw them live 2 times. They have been always very creative when it comes to deathcore mixed with metalcore kind of like styles. I'm very excited to see what they came up with. Let's check it. Let's do it. Oh, right away. Oh. Wow, the rhythm is so good. The black and white is so cool. Tapping. Such a good atmosphere. Oh! That melody and that kind of like structure, it's very fit for an autopsy. Damn. His singing is, he worked on that. That's so good. Oh! No chair, I guess. Wow, that rhythm was good. Oh, the bass right now. It's really the kind of riff when you want to just like there it is, chorus. Yeah, I'm very impressed about his singing. I don't recall him singing so high. That little melody at the back. Oh, that's good. So depressing, right? Very moody. That shot was really cool. There you have it. That was really good. I can't wait to see what else they're gonna come up with. They did the hard work of all their album with the kind of oil painting. They did that with pretty much all the album. It's really cool, right? Anyways, that's it. That was great. See you next time.